Sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your shoulder. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and walk your shelf on your children's platform. Sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children. The sliding doors on your time machine will close.
For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet is sailed through the universe, and for a brief moment, we convene among its passengers. But what is it? What kind of unity is in the sky? Surprisingly, the answer lies in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history has been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. Was ever once thought when we move, we record knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flag is inventing papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates everything. Fairs, designs, and unfortunately access. But it also brings with it the dawn of modern civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But its issue for trading and transportation is one common alphabet adapted to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the issue. They invented one. First, they established public schools, and then they began to see burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. So it turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams and futures. Books by hand. It's about to change. Gutenberg invents the movable typewriter press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they will. Books are easier to invent, and are now the incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Will forever be known as the day that she flew across the Atlantic and into the hearts of people around the world. Amelia Earhart has gone where no other woman has gone before.
Communicating with where on and in 1969, in somewhere place.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, they had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. It's very large, very expensive computers, but you see the future. Everyone could have one of these amazing machines sitting where we are. It's just that bottle. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape.
Attention travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, please remain seated, time travelers. Attention travelers.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choice turns. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future? Here in your future, staying healthy is as easy as getting out of bed in the morning. You can get daily health checkups just by taking a smart pill with your vitamins. After scanning your body with light waves, it sends the info to your doctor to let her know things are A-OK. And now you're ready to start your healthy day. While you're getting the exercise that you love, sensors in your clothing keep track of your vital signs, making sure you get the ultimate workout. And sensors will either manipulate your health info to a smart menu, which guides you to healthy food choices customized to your taste. You'll live a longer and healthier life enjoying the outdoor adventures that you love. So take a leap into your future. It's too good to miss. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and make together. See you in the future.
Be able to capture a picture of your health.